guys, so I accidentally broke the pins of my Orca 2 core, Orca Core 2. So it's a bit like this here, and maybe same happens to you. So here's a very quick video to show you how to get it fixed. I bored a new connector. It's called the NMEA 2000 field installable connector. I cut the wire here, then used the new connector, and the pin distribution is pin 1 is brown, pin 2 is white, pin 3 is green, pin 4 is yellow, pin 5 is gray. Put it in here and put it together.